Hello again, everyone. Another job, and it is scheduled for interview on November 16 at our main office in Tokyo at Kanda Station. This job is a manufacturing company, and we need 2 people for this. And the location for the job will be in Hanno City in Saitama. This company is a manufacturing company that the products would be concrete products and for engineering materials also. And the working hours for this will be from 8 o'clock to 1700, and the salary will be 204,000 to 224,400 yen. And there will be bonus also for this job. And for the qualification skills, unexperienced are actually welcome. So if you are willing to apply for this job, you can comment down below, or you can also call our office number at 036 206 8058. We also conduct online interview if you are far from our office. So again, this is a manufacturing company located at Hanno City in Saitama. Thank you.